What's up, y'all know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2009 Nissan Titan, and I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off, replace that speaker, and install your own. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing or following, because this is what we do here at the channel. Anything car audio or install related, that's what the channel is about. So first thing you want to do is you want to come down here, pop open this little window. It's going to reveal a Phillips head screw, or you can use a 10mm socket. Next, you want to come up here and you want to stick that in there. And then there's one. You're going to pull that off. And then you got that one right there. And you got that one right there. Next, this piece has to come off. That's going to reveal one more 10mm. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 4. Let's take those out real quick. Next, I'm just going to use my hand. Ooh, okay. This door panel must have came off before, but we're going to lift it up. It's only held in by these little orange clips right here. Want to come right here, take that off like that. We have one more right here. Pop it out and remove that little ball like that. We've already disconnected the harness to the window switch, so we're good. And then now we're just left with the light switch. That's going to be that door panel. Now we got 4 8mm bolts. We're going to take these out. Pull the speaker out, disconnect the harness, and now we have that speaker removed. So as we try to get this 6x9 to fit, notice you can only get the 2 top holes in because this little ridge around the 6x9 area is actually blocking us from fully fitting. So what we're going to have to do is remove the speaker, and then we're going to take our air saw and cut this ridge out all the way around so we can get the perfect fitment. And with those pieces cut off, we were able to install our Kicker KS Series 6x9 with the Nissan speaker harness to make this as simple as possible, and just screw the 8mm bolts back in. Now we'll have all these product links in the description for you guys if you want to do this yourself. Other than that, if you found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. At this time, I would like to give a special shout out to Matt Franklin and Rex Wrong, along with 25 other Patreons who decided to support the channel. Whether you guys get a JPtheinstallguy.com subscription, Patreon subscription, or you just simply hit those links at the bottom of the description to get your product, all that stuff is greatly appreciated, and it goes a long way with me. So till next time, this is JP signing out, telling you guys to keep going, keep growing, and make sure you have a blessed day. Peace.